Are you ready? Come and drop it. Drop it. Good job. So here we are at the old dog park. It's a lot less busy here. Anyway, so we're here throwing the ball with the dogs. I got a bit of a cold in my nose and my throat, so that'll probably show up on my blood work and will almost certainly cancel my upcoming treatment on Wednesday. So that'll put us another week behind. So part of that game, I suppose. Be healthy, get healthy, stay healthy, fight to be healthy. And when you're a little under the weather, they don't want to give you anything that your body has to work harder at. So they don't give you treatment because, well, of course, chemo. I'm pretty sure every kind of chemo knocks your immune system down just a little bit, and we don't need this to get worse. So that's what we're doing today, being New Year's Eve. Hopefully I'm up to having a couple of drinks maybe, and a couple of treats later. Definitely gonna have some treats. I'm not skipping the baked goods. There's butter tarts involved. I ain't missing out on them for anything. I already had one. So now I'm here with the crazy dogs. Because they're crazy dogs. And of course I'm filming, vlogging life. Reflecting back on the year. You ready? Stay there. Sit down. All the way down. Good girl. Good job. Drop it. Yeah, they really are pretty good. All they want to do is play. So yeah, having a look at skipping a treatment kind of sucks. Just want to get this over with like I usually do. You know the game, right? Most of you been following along. It's been a long decade. Never mind closing out 23. Although 23 was pretty awesome. 23, I made friends at a bike shop. I met a bunch of friends down in Canmore. Hooked up my trailer with my tent and gear and all kinds of fun stuff on the bike, and I headed south down Spray Lakes Road and through Kananaskis and over Elk Pass, and met up with Liz and Norm in Elkford, and they camped and I camped, and then it was off through Sparwood and Fernie and Cranbrook and Kimberly. Spent a day in Kimberly with Auntie Linda and Uncle Sam and the girls. And from there, over the Great Creek Pass. That was painful. But I lived, and I'm here to tell the tale. Look it up, Great Creek Pass, straight west out of Kimberly, just amazing. Very remote, and it's Canada's highest pass at roughly 2,200 meters, I believe. That was awesome. I'll go up there again, maybe not on a bike. Or maybe take my bike up and ride it down, from the top down to Kimberly, down to Aunt Linda's and Uncle Sam's. I'll ride it from the top to their house. That'd be fun. And another highlight was Myra Canyon at Kelowna. If it wasn't for the smoke and that my knee felt like it was on fire, that would have been amazing. But couldn't see anything because of the smoke, and well, I was almost in tears because of my knee. But I'm going to do that section again for sure. We'll take Lisa on that ride. And do a couple of days just riding around Myra Canyon on our bikes. Maybe ride down to Chute Lake and do a night of camping in one of their yurts or something cool. Just gorgeous place. That would be easy to do. I think that's what we're planning for. We can do a couple 100K that way. But yeah, keep on keeping on, moving. Actually, it was discussed earlier as we're leaving, heading out the door to come to the dog park here. Now you ready? As we were heading out for the dog park, the conversation turned to not pushing myself. I'm not sure. I'm pretty lazy a lot of the time. But I'm kind of maybe thinking if I stop, like a few people tell me, my wife out of concern, I'm kind of afraid if I stop, I'll just stop. I've met too many people that did stop, and they're not telling their stories anymore. So I'm gonna keep going as hard as I can and as long as I can and make this life matter a lot more than it does. And it matters a great deal, I tell you. I don't know if it could matter anymore, but I'm going to continue making it matter even more. Every day, every way. And we're going to look forward to tomorrow's coffee. Why? Because I may have cancer, but cancer doesn't have me. Good girl. Come on. You're walking so good. You a good girl? Yeah. And Piper, you a good girl?